Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Strivers for Modesty. How are you guys doing? Inshallah, you guys are feeling blessed today. So today's another chance for you to step into my wardrobe, except for this time it's a little bit different. I'm going to show you guys my travel wardrobe. So the family and I are going on a little vacation this week to Muscat, Oman and Doha, Qatar. And here's the thing, when I travel, y'all, I take a lot of things, and I've been working on kind of downsizing a little bit just because I hate my suitcases being heavy. I feel like I always have so much stuff, and I don't always wear everything that I take, so I'm working on like cutting back. And this is just a little bit of what I'm taking because I'm definitely wearing more clothes than this during the time that we're going. But let's get started. So first off, whenever I travel, like just getting to where I'm going, I'm all about being comfortable, but I still want to be glamorous, luxurious, and of course flawless. So I'll be wearing the Lotus Abaya. And I love the Lotus Abaya. It's obviously from SFM because it's very simple, but then you throw on this embroidery on it, and again, it elevates the look. It gives me a bit more of a little glam going on. Pair it with the right scarf, right shoes, right purse, right makeup, and like, y'all, I'm flawless. And then next up are kimonos. Kimonos are perfect for traveling because here's the thing. If you're trying to take a little bit of clothes, or maybe you have like a small wardrobe, when you have kimonos, you can make one abaya into multiple outfits. So like for me, for instance, when I travel, let's say I wear an abaya, wear it one day, then I would take it to dry cleaning in the hotel, and then I'll wear it like 2 days later and I'll throw a kimono on and I have a whole new outfit. So they're very versatile. They're great for that. So first up, I have the Aminat Vibe kimono from SFM, and like I guess I've already seen a video where I did about this, but I love this kimono. Then I have this other pink and black kimono. It's not from SFM, but I love it as well. It's very breathable. It's another fabric, but different grade. It's actually crepe, not another fabric. And then I have our Asiko Day kimono from SFM, and again, like I love this kimono so much, mainly because that's like a whole outfit in itself. Like you can wear a solid plain black abaya and throw this on, and again you have a glamorous, luxurious, and flawless look. Now let's get on to the abayas. So I'm only showing you guys a few of the abayas that I'm wearing. First up is the rain abaya from SFM, and you guys believe this will be my first time ever wearing the rain abaya? Like I have not worn this abaya yet, but I'm looking forward to wearing it. So it looks like it's a two-piece, but it's not. This is actually attached, and we also have this abaya in white as well, like in all white with gold embroidery. So if you're liking the rain abaya, definitely grab yours. Next, this abaya. So this is an interesting abaya because occasionally I'll do designs for SFM, but I want to test them out. So I have the manufacturer make me 1 or 2 or 3. I'll send them to a couple of friends. I keep one for myself. I'll wear it around, see how I feel about it, see how others are liking it, and then before I decide to go and produce it in mass for SFM. And this is one of those abayas, and I love it, but like it's just, I've been feeling maroon. If you can't tell by the recent collection, I am all about maroon lately. So it's a maroon abaya with this white embroidery on it, and I love this matching scarf. Again, elegant, simple, but like, oh, look at her, she's looking flawless. So like that's the look I'm always going for. So that's the next abaya that I'm wearing. And then lastly, so we're supposed to be going somewhere nice while we're in Doha, you know, bit of like kind of fancy, but not too fancy. So I am pulling out the Aristo Captain, which is part of our Eid collection this past year. It's still available on the website, so if you want it, www.strivingformodesty.com, and add it to your closet. But yeah, I like, because it's just like, it's a caftan, so you feel all flowy and airily, but these stones on them definitely makes it, again, luxurious, glamorous, flawless, has you looking beautiful. So I'm looking forward to that. Now let's get into our shaylas. So again, I'm taking quite a few more scarves in this. But first up, I have my Malika shayla in white and gray. And the Malika shayla, I always take them when I travel with me because they're so soft. Like no matter what mood I'm in, I'm always feeling a Malika. So sometimes I'll take like a chiffon scarf and I'll say, I don't want to wear chiffon today. Never have that with Malika scarves. Like they just always are just comfortable. Like they go with all of my outfits. So they're always like my must have scarf. Next up, we have the strobing, the Leket, and the calligraphy swirl. The calligraphy swirl is no longer available on the website. We used to carry this 2 years when we first started, but it's no longer available. But the Leket shayla, again, like it's shiny, lurex, looks very nice. And then the strobing, again, gives you guys, if you don't know yet, I love my bling. So strobing shayla definitely gives me that bling. And then lastly, we have another Malika shayla in pink this time. We have our Luxe Cashmere shayla in black, and our chiffon, floor chiffon. This is Floor My Flower. I love that name. I mean, I came up with it, but I love it. And that is our scarves. So you have stepped into my travel wardrobe. So if you like any of these pieces, let me know what your thoughts are. Do you think I travel too, like, do you think I have too much stuff for traveling? Is it just the right amount of stuff? Tell me your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to check out www.formodesty.com. If you love this video, make sure you follow us. Have a blessed day.